Hello folks, and welcome back to another video on meshing with the snappyHexMesh. So this is videos a very simple geometry, but I received many requests about boundary layer meshing. So I will say that with this video I will introduce some features or revisit some features to do better the meshing and to show you the issues and to clarify some things. So we're going to revisit this Excel worksheet. We're going to do this very simple geometry so you get an idea what we're doing. You have in the video description, by the way, the link to download this geometry. So basically what we have for the initially we're going to do this, then we're going to revisit the workflow just to do the refinement with the snap in the region and so on. And we're going to play a lot with options, know how to refine around the sphere. And as usual, I have already shown in a few videos, I like to add a touch of class to make things a little bit posh. So yeah, we're going to project the logo there, just something fancy from the point of view of CAD. So here you have the link and you can see what approach I took to do this. Is probably didn't do it in the easiest way, but in any case, remember there is no right or wrong how to do geometry. So yes, this is what we're going to do. So please stay tuned and follow the next videos. See you next time. Bye.